but the Blackblurr done won his last 6 races. Check Demonology out, burn out. Whoa, Demonology, you done went way down the track, broski. Wow. Track sticky, boy. You got him in the groove too. Both of them know how to cut them lights too, boy. But y'all gotta realize now, the Soulsnatcher on 24s now. He ain't got no, you know, he on 24s. Here we go. Let's yep. Blackblurr got him. Hey. The dog is in the building. Hey guys. Hey. In Demonology's defense, guys, spinning ain't winning. Spinning ain't winning. Demonology was spinning, so he didn't win. In his defense, he was spinning, so that's why he didn't win, guys.
Hey, spinning is winning.
Spinning ain't winning. Yep.